Today we will be replacing a multi-function control panel on the RS5. You will need a 3 and a 4 and 5 hex tools and your new control module. So begin by removing the handle grip with your 3mm hex tool. You have to remove these two bolts. Now just pull out the handle grip, like so. Now grab your 4mm hex and remove these two bolts holding the brake lever bracket. Like so. Now we will go back to the multifunction control panel and we will loosen this bolt right here with the 5mm hex. Follow the wire and unplug it. Remove the old one and slide through the new one. Now tighten this bolt at the desired angle. So move it around about right here and tighten it back up. Plug in your wire, make sure it's aligned properly. Just push it in. Now we'll go ahead and put back on our brake lever. Get your bracket with the bolt and tighten it with the 4mm hex tool. Lastly, grab your handle grip, slide it through. Make sure you install the bar end cap. Now you can tighten it back to 2 bolts holding the handlebar grip with your 3mm hex. Set it at the desired angle and tighten these 2 bolts. And that's it.